preview that website. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create an HTML file. So I have a folder that I created, like a random folder. It's called new folder. And I'm going to go new text document, and then instead of ending with the txt, I have to change this ending to a HTML. And I'll just leave it named new text document. So yes. And right click, open with Visual Studio. So right now the document is blank. So to start off, we're going to have to write some code. These tags are normally the first, oh wait, why is this in here? Okay. These tags are normally the first ones I create just out of habit. But all I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go in the body section. I'm just going to have a h1 header that's like, hello world. Okay. Now to preview this website, I know when I got Visual Studio, I had no idea how I was meant to, view my website and stuff like that. So that's kind of the main reason that I created this video, but I'm going to simplify stuff for you guys. So all you have to do is go to File, View in Browser, and there you have it. Here is our hello world. Another way to do this is, because it does get kind of tedious to keep going File, View in Browser each time you want to look at your code. So what I do is I go Control-Shift-W, and that opens it up again. So each time you do that, it's going to open a new tab, which you can see I have 2 tabs here. They're both the same since I didn't change the code. But when I make changes like, okay, let's just make a quick change. So the style tag means I'm going to be using CSS. And we can go for the H1 header. We want like, let's go text align. And then center. And then if you want to view that, I'm going to go Control-Shift-W, and it's centered. Different from the other one where we had it on the side. And that's all. We have a mini website, and we're viewing it with Visual Studio Code. And I hope this helps you kickstart your web development career. Also, please don't forget to leave a comment and let me know what I can improve on for future videos and what kind of videos you want me to make in the future. Maybe something I can explain in more detail, something that you're struggling with, anything you need help with. I am always ready to hear your guys' feedback, and I really want to make this channel something that everyone can enjoy. So please help me out with that and just give me some feedback on my channel. Thank you.